Are you looking for the best bar clamp? In this video, we will break down the top 7 bar clamps on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Irwin Quick Grip Clamps. Perfect for hobbyists, these mini clamps from Irwin have a fantastic jaw opening of 63 and are made of high-quality carbon. Whenever you need to glue wood pieces together, hold something in place to cut or shape it, or even when you need to hold pieces of wood together to transport them, these clamps help you to get the job done efficiently. The clamps are 25% smaller than quick change clamps, but they still provide all the strength that you're looking for. Everything in the design is lightweight, so they're easy to store and transport to wherever you need them to go. The soft pliable pads inside help to protect materials that have a fine finish. All in all, no toolbox is complete without having some of these clamps on hand to help you to get any job done with more ease. At number 2. Bessey GSCC 2.524 Bar Clamp. With the help of a powder-coated cast iron, you can be sure that the construction is quite durable. The sliding jaws make it easy for you to use it. The cast heads, along with the powder-coated finish, add to the durability. With the help of 2-piece clutch plate mechanism, you can hold the job in place quite easily. In addition to that, the medium-duty clamp is suitable for a variety of projects as well. Thus, when you're looking for a clamp with 2.5-inch capacity and 24-inch length, you cannot miss this one. At number 3. TEKTON Mini Ratchet Bar Clamp. TEKTON 39180 Mini 6 inches size for model making, tight spaces, crafts, and small projects. This bar clamp spreader applies precise, consistent pressure to hold workpieces together for gluing or assembly. It is so easy to use. The nylon pads on the jaws also work very well and maintain their position without marring the object being clamped. When the job is finished, simply press the quick release button to let go of the workpiece. For the price of a basic hand tool, the manufacturer provides well-designed tools and hassle-free support that consistently exceed expectations. At number 4. WORX Clamping Sawhorse Pair with Bar Clamps. The reason why these bar clamps are on our list is that they can apply pressure of 1,000 pounds. With the help of thermoplastic polymer material, the durability is on the higher side. They come in a set of 2. In spite of durability, they are pretty lightweight as well. The 2 bar clamps are detachable as well, which means that you can use them on a standalone basis as well. With the help of foldable design, you can carry it around easily. The maximum clamping which it supports is 18 inches. They come along with the shelf and cord hooks, which means that storing the tools is not a problem. Thus, when looking for versatile and unique bar clamps, you can go with these. At number 5. Pony 50 Pipe Clamp. The Pony 50 clamp fixture is one of the most popular accessories to the plumber to fix the pipe. The clamp fixture has broadly used in woodworking, frame assembly, and metalworking. The Pony can clamp a different length of pipe. We recommend this handy tool for its heavy-duty feature. You don't need to assemble anything before using it. Try to screw it on the end of the pipe. Since the clamp fixtures are not changeable, you can use it for different needs. These pipe clamps feature multiple disc clutch design. At number 6. Bessey 2.5-inch Bar Clamp. This 36-inch clamps will allow you to clamp all but the most impossibly large projects, so if you're working with bigger than average pieces, you should be well served by this clamp. The shaft is made from powder-coated cast iron, which gives you the strength and durability you'd expect from cast iron, while adding in a hefty dose of corrosion resistance with the powdered coating. Also included are great non-marring pads, which work well. This model also comes with a double locking system. While it may take a little time to get used to, it ultimately leads to a better grip. If you're looking for a low-cost, high-value buy, this is the bar clamp for you. At number 7. Jorgensen 2-pack Steel Bar Clamp. With a load limit of 300 pounds, you can be sure that these bar clamps are suitable for the smaller task. They have a holding capacity of 4 inches. The high-carbon steel construction means that the durability is on the higher side. It consists of a glass-filled nylon handle. With sliding head design, it is easy to get a proper grip as well. The handle consists of glass-filled nylon, which can provide you with a proper grip. They are rust-resistant. The pack of 2 means that you can use them in a variety of projects. You can use them for woodworking, hobby projects, cabinet making, and a variety of other applications. The versatility certainly makes them an option worth buying.